In this video, I will show you step by step how we made $195,110 in commission just by promoting affiliate links on YouTube using free traffic. Okay, I will share with you guys which affiliate links I was promoting on YouTube. I was promoting a lot of affiliate links, and in today's video, I will share with you one of my profitable affiliate links that earned me a lot of commission. Okay, so make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't miss this information that I will share for free. Okay, so for people who are new to my YouTube channel, I will show you guys step by step how you can join Fiverr affiliate marketing and how we can create an affiliate account like this one. And as you can see in my balance over here, I have $9,210 in my balance available. I will be able to withdraw this money by the end of this month. So anyways, so for people who are new to my YouTube channel and you want to start making money with affiliate marketing, go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, what you need to do next, you just need to come to this page and you need to scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliates. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, what you need to do next, you just need to click over here on join now. Okay, and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. Okay, and as you can see, the sign up process is super easy and simple. Just put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, account type, make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Choose your country and choose your language. If you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next and that's it. It will take just a few minutes. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. Okay, what you need to do next, you need to choose a good service that you will promote on YouTube, and you cannot promote any services. You need to choose specific services that people are searching for. Okay, so what we will do, we will go to YouTube, go to your YouTube homepage. Okay, so just go to your YouTube homepage. So first, why I choose YouTube? Because did you know that YouTube has 30 billion monthly visitors? Okay, 13 billion people every single month are using YouTube, scrolling on YouTube. Millions of people every single day scrolling on YouTube, searching for services, specific services, searching for products, searching for topics, and so much more. Okay, you can get so much traffic from YouTube. YouTube is the second largest search engine, okay, in the world after Google. Google is number one and YouTube is number two. You can get so much traffic from YouTube. Okay, you don't need to invest any money in paid ads. So anyways, just go to your YouTube homepage, click on the search and ask questions. So for example, you will ask how to create digital, for example, how to create digital planner. Ask any question you want and YouTube will give you a lot of topics that people are searching for. People are searching for how to create digital planner in Canva, how to create digital planner for Etsy, how to create digital planner to sell on Etsy. So let's take this topic, for example, how to create digital planner to sell on Etsy. I will go to Fiverr, go back to your Fiverr homepage and search for digital, search for digital planner. Okay, search for digital planner Etsy. Okay, scroll down, you will find a lot of sellers here who are providing this service on Fiverr. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to choose a good seller. So always choose a good seller. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 seller, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, I will see digital planner. So like this one, for example, let me see. Let's choose, for example, one of those sellers. Okay, this one looking good. Okay, let me see over here. Like this one, for example, level 1 seller. So let's choose this one. I will click on his service. Okay, just click on his service and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. So what you will do, you will copy his profile link. Just copy his profile link. Okay, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links. You will be directly in this page. Click over here and put this seller profile link here. Click over here and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you need to do next, you need to promote this affiliate link on YouTube. Before we do that, go back to this seller profile page, scroll down. So just scroll down, go to, let me see, click over here on more, scroll down and click on this, click on his video. So this video looking good. Double click and save video. Okay, save this video to your laptop. I'm gonna name this video, for example, planner. Okay, and after you finish, so what you will do next, you will go to Google and you will search for Canva. Go to Google, search for Canva, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process to Canva is super easy and simple, and it's for free. After you finish, this will be your home page. Click on video over here and you will be directly in this page. Click over here on upload. Click on upload file and upload this video to your Canva. Okay, like this. Open and here you go. Click on your video. Your video will be over here. Click on this 3 points. Click on set video as background. Okay, and here you go. Click on text. Scroll down, choose which style of text you want to use. I will use this one. Click on text style that you want to use and your text style will be here. I will delete this part. I will decrease the font size of this text. I will make it here. Double click and write this sentence. Check link in my description. Okay, check link in my description like this. Okay, I will put this. Okay, I will put this text here. Okay, after you finish, click on elements and click over here on shape and put this shape here like this. Like this. Okay, and click on this text and click on text color. I will make it to white. White color is good. And shape, I will, okay, let me see. I will edit the color of this shape. Click on color and use just black color. Okay, okay, it's looking now good. Let's see. And just remove the background music. Okay, click on volume and remove the background music. We don't need any background music. We need just simple video. Okay, and here you go. As you can see, after you finish, so what you will do, you will click over here on share, click on download, and this video will be downloaded to your laptop. Okay, after you finish, go to your YouTube channel and upload this video to your YouTube channel. Use this title, how to create digital planner to sell on Etsy. Okay, use this keyword in your title. Okay, and upload this video. Go to your YouTube, go back to Fiverr affiliate account, to your Fiverr affiliate account, copy your affiliate link from here or from here, it's the same, and put your affiliate link in your YouTube description. Okay, so those people who are searching for how to create digital planner to sell on Etsy, they will watch your video on YouTube like this. Okay, they will see this, check link in my description, they will check your description, you will put your affiliate link there, and if they click on your affiliate link, they will be directly in this seller profile page over here. Okay, click on continue, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. It's super easy. Okay, this is the method that I'm using. That's how I promote my affiliate links on YouTube. Free traffic, easy money, and but it needs really a lot of hard work, consistency, and promote a lot of affiliate links. You use YouTube search, try to find a profitable and see what people are searching for, what people want to make. Go to Fiverr, search for those services related to those topics that people are searching for, promote those services on YouTube, and that's it. So for people who are new and they don't know exactly how to add affiliate links in description, how to upload this video to your YouTube channel, don't worry, I will leave a link in my description below. You guys just need to watch this video in my description, okay, showing you step by step how you can upload this video to your YouTube channel and how you can put those affiliate links in your YouTube description. Super easy. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and see you in my next videos.